So today's video, we are going to be biking the Arabia Mountain Path Trail. We're gonna start at Stonecrest Mall. We're gonna head over to Panola Shoals Trailhead, and then from there we're gonna go to Panola Mountain State Park. It's overcast, it's gonna be a cloudy day, which I guess is good. It's not gonna be too hot. It's about 80 degrees in Atlanta, Georgia right now. I'm excited about this ride today because I've never been on this trail before, so I have no idea what it looks like. Weather is decent, so it should be a good ride. 30 miles, that's nothing, we got that. To Panola Mountain State Park, and it's time to go back to Stonecrest Mall. About 17 miles ride to get here. It was pretty tough actually. A lot of elevation changes, which makes it tough. So to say the least, I'm not looking forward to this trip back, but I am ready to go and get something to eat. So let's go. Oh, the farmhouse? I don't know. You know what? Nah, I'm at Stonecrest Mall.
Oh, you could have brought your car.
Stonecrest?
Oh, you at the mall?
Yeah, I went from the mall to Panola Mountain State Park.
Okay.
And back, so like 30 miles.
Yeah, that's all right. How often you do this trail?
Oh, this is my first time. I usually do super common. Three miles of Stonecrest. Hey, y'all take it easy.
All right, man. Thanks for
Yeah, no problem. All right, so the GoPro died on the way back, but as you can see, we made it back to the mall. That was tough. That was tougher than I thought it was gonna be. I kind of underestimated it, but it was a good workout. I feel like I'm gonna get a Charlie horse. And my quad, hamstring, all that. See you next time.